Alright, so now we're at the other side of the river at this Kaymoor Mine site, or we will be hiking down to the Kaymoor Mine site. Over here it says it's 821 steps down, so it is not going to be an easy one to get down there. Kaymoor Miners Trail. Yep, the stairs look pretty intense. Hiking, no biking, no horsies. Doesn't say anything about dogs, but I'm assuming... Yep, oh, there it is. Dogs are allowed. As with the trail on the other side of the river, we're gonna go down the entire way, then have to work our way back up afterwards. So, yeah, we will be burning calories on the way back up. Can't see it very well on the GoPro, but I guess through here you can. See the endless wall loop over there. Got a little bubbling creek next to us. So we're going down. So yeah, when we originally started off this day, we were thinking about hiking this trail along with the other trail, and I'm glad we didn't go down all the way to the other trail, because I know this one is gonna kick our butt on the way back up. Those 800 stairs haven't even started yet, and we're already going down quite a bit in elevation. Nice little view through here of the gorge, and it looks like our legs are about to fall apart going down these stairs. At least there's plenty of stuff to see along the way. Maybe that'll distract us from the pain. Your family wants you to work safely. That's a good motto. Getting coal from the mines to the railroad was a challenge. Kaymoor's gravity incline used a monitor system, a loaded car lowered by a cable on a track. This cable system also connected to an empty car at the bottom of the parallel track, which is drawn back up to the head house at the same time. Engineering. This mine has worked, is it 1 day without a lost time accident? I see a 1 up there. It's pretty cool seeing these historic structures. Yeah, they do have an old set of stairs going up that way. So there's a bunch of buildings along this little trail apparently. We're not down to the bottom yet. There was a car repair shop, office, lamp house, and a locomotive opening right up ahead. I can't remember what this building was. We have another one up here on the left. Okay, so this was the fan house over here that used to ventilate Kaymoor 1 mine from 1919 to 1928. The confined spaces inside mines required extra ventilation to avoid the buildup of explosive gases and dust. Large fans moved airs through the mine to prevent deadly explosions. Although an explosion never occurred at Kaymoor, the nearby mines of Red Ash and Rush Run were not so lucky. Explosions in 1900 and 1905 killed a total of 70 people. You want to go back working there, Deanna?
Nope, I think you would do a better job.
Oh. Alright, get me a pickaxe. I'll get to work. And now for the dreaded steps. 821. That kid looks like they're having fun. You gonna have fun?
I don't know. We'll see.
Alright, here we go. And that's just the beginning. Apparently these stairs go right along this rail car. And I think we're directly above it right now. Imagine being cold, Deanna. More stairs. Have to look down at all the stairs, and it's almost like brain warping. You just see the same thing over and over and over and over and over again. I think Deanna just thinks I'm weird.
What?
I think Deanna just thinks I'm weird.
I find it helpful to just like count the stairs. I don't know why, but I don't get that weird thing if I do that.
Oh, there's a cool thing over here. Check that out. I think we're almost down to the bottom here. Then, I think it'll be snack time. Imagine that thing running all day long. We made it to the bottom. Kaymoor Bottom. Apparently a town of 560 residents used to live down here, complete with a store, a school, tennis courts, movie theater, and I imagine the only way in and out is via that train. I don't know if there's a road down here or not. I'm not sure if we're really supposed to go down off this way. Maybe we can. Ooh. Unsafe and unstable, Deanna. Don't go inside. A lot of old steel and stuff inside there. It's actually a fairly big building. This is a rather large building. Walking over all the old railways right now. All the ruins through here. You can probably barely see them in the GoPro because there's so many trees and stuff growing around them now. And the river is just down here. And the actual train track. Yeah, these buildings have seen better days. I would not want to go tour inside of those right now. It's also iffy just walking next to this one here. I mean, we can walk around that way probably. It's just rather steep. What say you?
Steep. Maybe we go back the other way.
Yeah. Maybe we can try to hike around the other side and meet it up over there. And that's probably as close to the river as we're gonna get, because there's not a good trail down there. Everything's super steep. Yeah, my legs are already kind of feeling like jello, and we haven't even started going up yet, so this is gonna be a long day. We're gonna get some barbecue later though.
Yeah.
Replenish those calories. But yeah, underneath all of these leaves below you, you're basically just walking on a bunch of old coal. So go check out that. Don't fall in the ravine. We've got an old drainage pipe still doing its job. See what's down here real quick before we start making our long trip back up. Now there's a stone wall up here, Deanna. By the way, we are definitely off trail right now, but you can tell people have walked through here before. Another old concrete wall, probably filled with bear. Not sure what was in here. Hobbit houses. Not sure what these were used for. And almost, yeah, it looks like a giant pizza oven. We're definitely making this trail much longer than it was intended to be. No idea what the structure was, but it just keeps on going. I don't know for how long, but we'll start heading back because we have a heck of a journey ahead of us here. Getting up another 800 stairs, climbing a mountain.
Did you see they all have their own numbers?
Oh, I did not see that.
93, 92, so there were only 91 more.
93. Well, let's go back over there, see what the first number was. So Deanna saw 107 over here somewhere. I don't know where it is.
That's this one.
Oh, there. The numbers are down there. Moss is starting to cover everything.
So
Yeah,
I guess we were right. That's probably 111.
111. I was right. I get barbecue as a reward. Yeah, it looks like there's another layer of them behind us. One here, one back there. Very cool, guys. Glad we went down here. I say that now before I start going up, but it was cool. Alright guys, we had a snack underneath the ruins. It did not fall on us. I'm going the wrong way. But we're gonna start tackling these stairs one by one, maybe 2 by 2, because they were kind of short stairs. I wish they put more curves in the stairs so it didn't look as intimidating on the way up. That's 503. Just kidding. Guys, that's a lot of steps. We're not done yet. I want to do that. It's a little bit easier. Pretty sweet view of the endless wall trail up there. I think there's some more buildings off this way, possibly. Really just walking off those steps before we start heading up the rest of the elevation up there. All right, even after all those steps, got more steps to go. Wonder how many steps there are in total, or if the 821 steps, 31, whatever it is, includes these as well. I don't think they do though. You can do it, Deanna. Stairs. Making it closer though, slowly but surely. Well guys, we're hoping we're almost to the top. Starting to run a little bit lower on energy. Ate a bunch of carbs before I went up, but I didn't have any protein. Protein would have helped a lot more. And I'm just out of shape. I feel like I say I'm out of shape in every single video that we've ever done, so just a lot of work. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed the 2 hikes we did today across the river. We first hiked, what was it, Head House Trail, and then we came over here and did Kaymoor Mine Trail. And we're both pooped and we're gonna go eat some lunch. So we'll see you all in the next one. If you like this video, hit that like button, subscribe if you want to see more videos like it. You can also check us out at
dnsadventures.com.
And as always,
adventure on.